We are now going to make our own cover for our photo album so the pictures are kind of protected. And for supplies, you are going to need 2 12 by 12 pieces of paper for your cover, because it's actually got to be 6.5 by 7.5. So you're going to have, it's going to take 2 sheets to make that. So you'll cut these 7.5 by 6.5 and you'll have 2. I have already decorated the front cover of mine, for mine. You'll need a piece of accent paper, and this is 2.5 by 6.5, and this is going to be our binding that will come right here. So we'll be needing a ruler, some ribbon, something to score with. This is a scoring tool, an embossing tool actually that we can use to score. If you don't have one of these, a real kind of a big butter knife will work. Hole punch and some ribbon. Okay, we're going to take our piece of paper that is 2.5 by 6.5, and we're going to make our little crease like this. So here comes that wonderful ruler. We're going to come in 1 inch from the edge. We're going to use our embossing or our butter knife, and we're just going to score it. We're just going to make a line like that. I'm going to flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. 1 inch, put it on your 1 inch mark, score it. Then it makes it fold nice and easy. So then we're going to take one of our page protectors, and it's got the holes in it. We're going to lay that inside there where it bumps right up to our first crease, kind of center it. We're going to take our pencil and mark where the holes are. Well, if we can get my pencil to work. And then we'll know where to punch. Okay, then we'll take our hole punch, punch the hole, close these two together, line them up, turn it over, punch through. Well, let's just go ahead and mark it with our pencil. Make our second set of punches. We'll do the same thing with our pages. Line them up in there, and I've already got these pre-punched. So now we're going to take all our pages, line those up, put our top on, put our binding, then we're going to take our ribbon, and when you cut your ribbon, cut it to a point, and then you're going to start feeding it through here, through your other hole, and then we're going to tie it, and it will look like this, and you will have a book.